Inilawan na ang 60 feet Christmas tree sa Greenfield District Central Park sa Mandaluyong City. Sinabayan ito ng engranding fireworks display bilang hudyat sa pagdiriwang ng Pasko. Isang dekada nang idinaraos ang tradisyong ito sa parke. Ang tema ngayong taon ay Christmas for Generations. Tampok sa Central Park ang iba't ibang food and goods merchants, pati na ang malawak at bukas na espasyo nito para sa mga nais mamasyal sa lugar. Libreng masasaksihan ng publiko ang Christmas tree hanggang katapusan ng taong 2024. Kaugnay nito, narito ang aming panayam kay Attorney Duan Santos, ang Executive Vice President ng Greenfield Development Corporation.
Ma'am, can you tell us about how this year's Christmas has evolved over the years and what makes the 2024 celebration unique?
Okay, well, Merry Christmas for 2024. We wanted it to be different. We used angels as our theme to symbolize hope and peace and warmth. So our angels guide us each time and it guides us more warmth this season.
So there are many visitors who know what do you want for them to take away from this year's Christmas for Generation celebration here at Greenfield District?
So at Greenfield District, we have this yearly. We light up the tree together. We enjoy and have fun. It's a yearly tradition because we believe that, you know, we don't lose the tradition, especially for Christmas. And we want to be the place where we can have this with families and friends, where they can get closer and enjoy and celebrate the season together in our open spaces. So it's more relaxing, and also we have different restaurants, and we have the food park, the weekend market from Fridays to Sundays. That's from 4 to midnight. Tapos we have also the food truck that's open every day. So it's the time for taking a break and enjoying ourselves.
Last question about
Ano po yung last question?
how do you see the Christmas for Generation celebration going in the future?
We see that the Christmas for Generation is growing yearly, that they can keep coming back and make memories in Greenfield District. So people that can bring their families, their growing families, enjoy the place, and they can look back at it and see that we were part of their growing years and, you know, enjoy it here.
Wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. With the kids jingle bellings and everyone's telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Parties for hosting marshmallows and caroling out in the snow.
There will be funny stories and days of the glories of Christmas is long ago.
Christmas is long ago. wonderful time. It's a most wonderful time. It's a most wonderful
Mula rito sa lungsod ng Mandaluyong, Nolan Ariola nag-uulat para sa Leader News Philippines.